Hello everyone, welcome to Learning with GeoSnips. We are back with another video tutorial, and today we are going to tell you about the basic interface of QGIS. If you have seen our previous video, you know how to download it. Now this video will tell you how you can use different functions and what these functions are for. From the very starting, the first thing is the project. Within project, you can create a new project. If you want a new template, you can find a new template. Within open, you can open a previously saved QGIS project. And if you want to save, or you want to save as, these all function to export or print any map, these things you will find under the project. Within edit, you can find, if you want to add any polygon, add any annotation, these all things you will find within the edit. Within view, you have many options where you can add the new map view, where if you want to go to layout option, and the pan map selection, if you want to get a statistical summary, zoom last, these all things you will find within the view. Within layer, you can find your, if you want to create a layer, if you want to add a layer, these all options you will find here. Within setting, you can do all the setting. This is the plugin where you can install or manage all your plugins. The vector and raster will be the operation which will perform on the both of the data sets. Then if you are using your database system, or you are using some PostGIS functionalities, you can get it under database. Within web, you can find all the web layers like this mesh calculator, and then these are different functions are there. Within processing, you have a option called toolbox. Once you will select the toolbox, you will find that all your functions are here, and here you can search anything. If you want to search for vector, or if you want to search for clip, this is a kind of shortcut where you can search all your functions if you don't know where it lies. So the processing toolbar is there. Other than that, these are the very these icons are basically the shortcuts for different function. That the first one basically for the new project, and the second folder option is for opening a project, then for saving it, and then below for opening any of your layer, whether it is a vector dataset or a raster dataset. Then for a new geo package layer, for creating a new shape file, you can directly open it from here. So these are the basic shortcuts which you will use for the basic functions in QGIS. Other than that, there will be a section in your left hand side as browser, where you can find all your drives. If you want, like in C drive, the D drive, E drive, you can directly get your data from here by double clicking on this. Like all other your XYZ tiles, and the many functionalities will be added to your browser for a shortcut. This is the layer panel. Like if you will add any of the layer, the layers will show in this particular panel. So this is the layer panel. So this is basically a very basic intro about the basic interface of the QGIS. Once you will try different functions, then you will be aware how things work and how other packages can be added to this particular QGIS. So that's it for today. Thank you.